All right, so I got in contact with a company called Novsight, and they make a projector lens bulb that goes into your headlight. And I'd never seen this setup before, so I was kind of curious to see if the quality was as good as I thought the idea was clever. So let's go over a quick install and then give these things a quick review. But first, let's jump into an unboxing real quick.
So you get the hood popped, and then you got these two screws here and here in the front that connect to your engine filter here, the box. So you need to get back here, your bulb, your headlight base. This one's pretty easy access, so I can get to that one no problem. But this one you have to do a little workaround. So these screws here kind of do like a half turn, and you can see them pop up just a little bit. Wiggle it out. Under filter. You get access to your bulb mounts there. Down here, got my low beams, and over there are my high beams. So do with these ones first. These are the 9005s. So there's this little clip right here. You just push down and pull. Gonna wiggle it a little bit and it comes right off. And then these ones, all you do is just rotate them out. So counterclockwise from your angle upside down, you just pluck them out. Put this back in, plug, make sure it seats on all three notches in there. Just give it a rotate, put your housing back on and click it back in. Good to go. The high beams just kind of right midway through the headlight in front, so I got to go in underneath here. And then it's the same clipping mount system where you have that little retaining clip on the back of the housing. Cool. And the same thing, counterclockwise, and pluck it out. You're going to be putting in the high beam. Go in, rotate counterclockwise just a touch, and then lock it in place. Go ahead and clip them back on and line it up. Get the click, and then go to the next side. Oops, the click. Push that. Make a minor adjustment, I think. Not very level. If you need to raise or lower, there's this little Phillips right here. Going clockwise, it raises it up. Counterclockwise, lowers it down. Basic idea.
So you can see quickly here in this picture that the projector lens is doing its job by creating a more focused beam. However, it's not spreading enough light out to where you're seeing actually more than you were with the stock halogens. The stock halogens actually had a better spread. And then I'll put up here another image that kind of illustrates that, where you can see on the top I have the projector lens, and then on the bottom is the halogens. Granted, the angles on this are kind of weird, but the car was parked in the same spot. And if you just look at the squares on the garage door, you can see how focused the beam is for the top. And on the right headlamp, it's only going as far out. If you like start with the bricks on the far left, there's 1, 2, 3 squares, and then maybe just a touch of the fourth. But if you look on the bottom, you can see it's getting out as far as 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, and then a touch of the fifth. So that just kind of is a good illustration of how much more spread you have with the stock lights as opposed to these projectors. Like I said, they are focused with the beam, but it's creating less actually illuminated surface area, which isn't necessarily safe for driving. So something to note. I don't, not again, not to say Novsight is at fault here, but I don't know that I would recommend I don't know that I would recommend this setup for from any brand. You know, whoever the manufacturer is, I don't know that this is dialed in to be the best setup for car driving. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. Otherwise, like, comment, share. See you guys in the next video.